Hello friends, how are you? We met long time. You are watching today our idea of the Father's Day gift ideas. You are watching different keychains and different crafts idea of the Father's Day gift uh, keychain gift. You are watching beautiful wooden keychain for gift for Father's Day to your dad. You can gift your dad different ideas. You are watching a steel keychain ring chain keychain. You are watching a cup shaped keychain written for the dad. You are watching a beautiful keychain suit. You are watching another idea of handmade keychain idea. You are watching different ideas of handmade keychain, how to make keychain. You are watching another idea. You can gift a knife to your dad on Father's Day, and different keychain ideas. You are watching another idea of the handmade keychain gift for Father's Day. You are watching another wooden pant keychain for gift for Father's Day. You can hand shaped and different message written wooden keychains for Father's Day. You can you are watching the pop cycle stick keychain idea. You are watching the clay based make keychain. You are watching make some awesome keychains for dad. You are watching new unique ideas of the gift for the Father's Day. You can gift your dad cute handmade and beautiful keychain. uh, Different ideas for you can made at home with beads and keychains ring. You are watching the you are watching different items, different tools, keychains idea. You are watching the picture keychain. You can gift your dad family pics. You are watching the Warshall based keychain idea, handmade, easy and unique idea. You can gift your Father's Day. You are watching beads. You are watching the um, handmade beautiful acrylic sheet keychain idea. You can uh, gift on the Father's Day. Your father's